Alright YouTube, so you can see we have our first rafter cut. This is called a bird's mouth right here. This is the part that sits against the wall. This is the overhang portion of the rafter. And you can see the length of the rafter is determined by the width of the house. This particular one is about 18.5 feet long, this rafter. This is a 2x10. And we determine the length of the rafter by measuring the width of the floor. You see right here, this is the end of it again. We determine it by the width of the actual floor. We divide it in half, and then using a framing square, we will end up stepping off with the framing square. Based on the pitch of the roof, we will put together this rafter, and now this rafter will be our template that we'll use to cut all the rest of the rafters. And you can see all these are already laid out. You can see the lines. This is the top of the rafter right here. So we're going to cut all these. We have about 8 or 9 of them set up on the horses, and we're going to cut each end, go right across, line them up, and we're going to start handing them up, and we'll get this roof all laid out. You can see these rafters. This is the bottom end that we're cutting first. And altogether we got about 54 of them to set up and cut.